Ito, 15,125. Ngayong araw ng Martes, Petsa 19. 17 to 34 na northeast. 5 to 8 feet. Yung 8 feet niya, mamayang gabi pa mag-umpisa. Bukas, Miyerkules, Petsa 20. 17 to 35 na northeast. 7 to 8 feet. Petsa 21, Huwebes. 17 to 32 na northeast. 6 to 7 feet. Petsa 22, Biyernes. 17 to 32 na northeast, 6 to 7 feet pa rin. Petsa 23, Sabado. 23 to 40 na northeast, 6 to 7 feet. Petsa 24, Linggo. 18 to 38 na northeast, 7 to 8 feet. Yung 8 feet niya sa gabi. Petsa 25, Lunes. 25 to 42 na northeast, 7 to 8 feet. Petsa 26, Martes. 26 to 42 na northeast, 8 feet. Petsa 27, Miyerkules. 26 to 47 na northeast, 8 feet. Petsa 28, Huwebes. 26 to 46 na northeast, 8 to 10 feet. Nakopya may kong P3 dyan sa 15,125. Go pa. Ingat. Maganda. Ito, 16,125. Ngayong araw ng Martes, Petsa 19. 10 to 27 na northeast, 4 to 8 feet. Yung 8 feet niya, mamayang hapon mag-umpisa. Petsa 20, Miyerkules, bukas. 17 to 34 na east-northeast, 7 to 8 feet. Petsa 21, Huwebes. 15 to 31 na este, 6 to 7 feet. Petsa 22, Biyernes. 17 to 32 na northeast, 6 to 7 feet. Petsa 23, Sabado. 18 to 37 na northeast, 7 feet. Petsa 24, Linggo. 25 to 46 na northeast, 7 to 8 feet. Petsa 25, Lunes. 28 to 44 na northeast, 7 to 8 feet. Petsa 26, Martes. 25 to 40 na east-northeast, 7 to 8 feet. Petsa 27, Miyerkules. 24 to 42 na northeast, 7 to 8 feet. At Petsa 28, Huwebes. 26 to 45 na este, 8 to 10 feet. Nakopya dyan pa rin Iris sa 16,125. O, kopya. Ingat. Magandang mga.